has admitted is the excise tax. And on that basis, I demand केलं त्यांना माझे सस्पेंडेड. मुझे एक प्रश्न दिले FIR किती गायल मी किती FIR गायल झाल्या सगळे वाचले पण त्यांचं गोय आहे किती आणि सांगल्यापासून if you don't want to file an FIR means the rot goes deeper. That means somebody else is involved. कोण एजंट हा कलेक्शन करपाक कोण वयसून मागता सगळ्यासून मागता आमी नाही. But I think that was the thing. Smart city. तेजेपासून हांवें म्हणलां your officer has written to vigilance that these are the personal benefits he has taken out of the public money. And we don't want to file a FIR. And that's why I gave this thing judgment to the Chief Minister. Supreme Court has sangla. Cloak of office is used only to misuse, to have this illegality done. And when it is done for an act of cheating or criminal breach of trust, you are not there in the chair, sorry Korpa. So you don't require anybody's consent for it. So I think that the government should do it. If they don't do it, we will make sure that citizens also can go to the court and they can ask them.
How deeper is smart city this issue? Is it the recent one or is it the older one? Because time and again pointing out the MLA or pointing out the mayor. But there was speculation that it was earlier.
There are two parts of it. One is misuse of the funds when there was that officer on the chair. That is old part of it. So everybody at that time has to be accountable. New now, when you started doing these works, knowing that it could not be done, knowing that monsoon is approaching, knowing that your targets can be reached, still you started digging up the whole of Panjim. That's another part 2 of the same scam. There are two parts. One is old and one is new.
So one more sir, issue you raised that GTDC Nirvana scheme.
होय ते निर्वाणाचे स्कॅम कितें GTDC ऑर्डर दिल्या मरीन टॅक कोणाक बोट बांदपाक आनी GTDC तांकां म्हयन्या 19,80,00,000 फारीक करतले एक्सक्लुडींग GST म्हणल्यार ऑलमोस्ट 20 lakhs प्लस फारीक करतले आनी रेवेन्यू कितें ओनली टिकट सेल ते GTDC घेतले आणि बोट चार्जीस मेंटेनन्स चार्जीस वॉफ चार्जीस सगळे GTDC फारीक करतले म्हणल्यार फुकट बोट दिले ताका तूं मजा कर फकत त्या भितरान दी
दोतर वन मोर थिंग काल एक मडक्याचो विशय गाजला असेंब्लीन मटका लिगलायज करपाचे डू यू फील दॅट मडको चलता गोंयान ओपनली
मडको इट्स ओपन अँड शट ओपन अँड क्लोज म्हणटात तशें करून चालू आसात आमचें ना म्हणून जायना अँड इफ द गव्हर्मेंट वॉन्ट्स दे कॅन एनफोर्स इट जाल्यार आनी त्या सायडीन कलेक्शन चालू आसतलें legalize it. Everything cannot be made legal just because it is being done in abundance. तुम पळय आमचे ऑनरेबल स्पिकरान सांगलां ते जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कांय चालू ना म्हणून ऑनलायन गॅम्बलिंगाचे सो ही हॅज क्लोज्ड इट सो इफ यू हॅव अ वील देर इज अ वे आतां हांव एक सांगता लोक आसात हांव जाणा एम्स्टरडॅमा प्रॉस्टिट्युशन लिगल कॅन यू मेक इट लिगल हियर ड्रग्स लोक ड्रग्स घेता You want to make it legal here? Our culture is not for it. Our culture is opposing. And you want to come and say that bring this here by the back door and say make it legal? My oil and thing legal, like collections.